Greetings everyone. Welcome to the channel. This video will explain us how a design idea done on silhouette. Silhouette is the outline shape of a garment. Here, I am planning to have a round neckline and the I will be going with contrasting colors and have selected ribbons for doing the embroidery. I am planning to make a border and do the ribbon embroidery around the neck, sleeves and the princess line. Now since I will be doing the embroidery, it would become compulsory for me to use a lining to make the kurti as comfortable as possible for my daughter. Now this is the general idea of how I would do the brainstorming and note down the ideas. This stage is all about experiment. Ask questions to yourself. Once your vision is clear, the next steps becomes very easy. So with this, we come to the conclusion of part 1. The next part will be the embroidery. Till then, do take care of yourself. Bye.